So, okay, students, today we will start algebraic expression and identities, very important MCQ questions. Okay, so let's see here in front of you. First question, that is the value of x square minus 2x plus 1 when x is equals to 1 is what? So, I will just explain this question, just check it properly. Okay, so that is your question. The value of x square minus 2x plus 1 when x is equals to 1 is equals to what? So that means in this expression, you have to use, just wait, you have to use x is equals to 1 and find out the value of this whole expression. So obviously, if I take one question like this, x square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to, instead of x you have to put 1. So 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1. Correct? Now we can write down 1 square is equals to 1 minus 2 plus 1. Now whatever your, we can say whatever your positive value is there, that you have to add them. 1 plus 1, that means 2. And minus 2 is equals to 0. So we can say the answer will be how many? The answer will be 0. Option number D is the 100% correct answer. Okay. So like this way you have to give your answer. Next question. Let's see. Yes, all of you see here question number 2. The value of x square plus y square when x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2 is equals to what? Now tell me students, what is the answer of this question? Yes, fast. Very simple question. Five. One answer is coming 5. Let's see. Actually, in this question, I will not give you a lot of time. Only 10 seconds for each and every question. Okay. So let's see here. What is the answer? X square plus y square is there. And x square plus y square is there. No issue. My screen is not coming fully visible, so that's why I'm writing here question also. मैं आपके सामने question भी लिख रहा हूँ. X square plus y square is equals to, instead of x is equals to put 1 square plus y square, that means 2 ka square. So we can say 1 square, that is 1, 2 ka square 4. So the answer will be 5. Yes, your answer correct. 5 is the correct answer. So we can say option number D is the 100% correct answer. Okay, understood? Very good. Yes. Now come here, question number. Next question. See here. In this question says, which of the following is a monomial? इसमें से कौन सा आपका monomial है? So here option number A, that is 4x square. Option number B, this is A plus 6. Option number C, that is A plus C, 6 plus C. And option number D, this is A plus B plus C plus D. So what is the correct answer? Anyone know? Yes, option number A is written, many of the students. So let's see here. Yes, we can say option number A. Very good. Option number A is the correct answer, because we know, again I am telling you, monomial means जिसमें एक ही आपका terms रहता है. Only one term will be contained in an algebraic expression, that is known as monomial. So option number A is the 100% correct answer. Write down, all of you, answer is 4x square. That is your 100% correct. Okay, very good. So that means total 3 question completed. Now we'll move next. Okay, so that is your next question. Let's see, all of you. Just wait. Okay. So see here, all of you. In this question says, which of the following is a binomial? Which of the following is a binomial? Now tell me students, 3xy, 4l plus 5m, 2x plus 3y minus 5. Yeah, we can say 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. What is the 100% correct answer? So let's see. Yes, option number B. Yes, option number B is the 100% correct answer. Very good. Many of the students already given answer before me only. 10 seconds मैंने बोला, आप लोगों तो 2 seconds में आंसर दे दो. So option number B is the correct answer. Yes, because here 2 term is there. 1 and 2. That's why we can say this is your 100% correct answer. Okay, write down all of you. Option number B is the 100% correct answer. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. In this question says, which of the following is a trinomial? Which of the following is a trinomial? Now tell me students, इसमें से कौन सा trinomial है? Option number A, B, C, D. C, yes. Option number C is the correct answer. Now in this question only 1 second. Okay, very good. So option number C is the correct answer because here also 3 terms is there. 1, 2, 3. So obviously we know trinomial is a algebraic expression in which 3 term will be there. That is your trinomial. Okay, just wait one time. Okay, now see all of you. This is your correct answer. Now next question. Actually, I know today this we can say lecture is going to very interesting. So all of you see here. Next question, question number not 12 actually. This is just right on question number. Now all of you see here in this question says, how many terms are there in expression 5xy square? This is very good. How many terms are there in this expression 5xy square? In this expression, how many terms is there? 1, 2, 5 or 3? Yes, tell me. 1, 11. Only 1. Very good. So the answer will be 1. Correct answer. Option number A, that answer will be 1. Because this is your monomial. Yes, this is your monomial. ऐसे नहीं देखना है इस तरीके से. Sir, 5 is also there, x also there, y square also there. We will write down 1, 2, 3. No, this is wrong answer. This is only one term. This is totally actually one term. है ना? That's why we can say this is the answer is option number A. That is your 100% correct answer. Okay. Now we'll move next question. Okay, that is your next question. Just wait. Yes, tell me now. How many terms are there in the expression? In this expression, how many terms are there? 1, 3, 4, 5. Yes, tell me students, how many terms are there? Obviously, we can say 5 terms are there, 5. Because obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, that's why we can say option number D is the 100% correct answer. Very good. अभी तक मुझे लग रहा है सबका आंसर सही जा रहा है, एक भी आंसर अभी तक रॉन्ग नहीं हुआ बिकॉज दिस चैप्टर वी आर डन इन ए वेरी पर्टिकुलर मैनर ना, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हमने इसको कंप्लीट किया है ना. दैट्स व्हाई दिस ऑल द क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी फॉर यू. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द टर्म, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द टर्म 7xy is equals to what? Option number A, option number B, C or D. What is the coefficient of this 7xy? 7. Okay, lovely, very good, very good. Your answer is coming like cyclone. जैसे cyclone आता है ना उस तरीके से आपका आंसर है, इतना fast. Very good. Okay, 7 correct answer. Very good. So option number A is the 100% correct answer. 7 is your correct answer. Okay. So obviously actually क्या होता है ना, न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट वी हैव टू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक्चुअली अगर मैं बोलूं, बात समझना, ऑल ऑफ यू जस्ट वेट. इफ आई से व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y, what is the coefficient of y, in that case you have to write down 7x. but if I say like this, what is the coefficient of this whole term, so उस टाइम आपको न्यूमेरिकल चीज को ही प्रेफरेंस ज्यादा देना है ना. whatever your numerical terms are there, that only you have to write down 7. समझ गए? that is we can say numerical coefficient. that's why we are written here 7. okay, done. now next question. the coefficient in the term 20 is what? now tell me students, what is the answer of this question? अब देखता हूं मैं आप लोगों का साइक्लोन आता है या आंधी आता है. 20. okay, very good, very good. 20 is your correct answer. मतलब आप लोग ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट हो गए, मेरे से भी ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट हो, है ना. ऑब्वियसली किसका स्टूडेंट हो देखना पड़ेगा ना. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द 100% करेक्ट आंसर. द कोफिशिएंट इन द टर्म 20 is equals to 20. That is your 100% correct answer. Very good, very good. So now we'll move next question. Okay, that is your question. Just wait. I will visualize this screen so you can easily understood this. Okay. Now students, tell me the like terms of the following are. In front of you some like terms are there. Okay, so which are the like terms? Option number A, B, C or D? Okay, all of you one time on your camera na? Okay, all of you on your camera, front camera. So 2x square, 9x square, y square xy, xy 9 square, that is I know I seen already. Your answer is option number A is the 100% correct answer. Very good. Obviously we can say 2x square and 9x square. This is your correct answer because here variables are also equal and power of the variables are also equal. That's why we can say this is your like terms. Okay, so this is your like terms done. Very good. Option number A is the correct answer. Now we'll move next question. What is the coefficient? Sorry, just wait. What is the coefficient of xy in xy? In this xy term, this is the term. Okay, and in this xy term, अरे मुझे क्वेश्चन तो पढ़ने दो ऑलरेडी आंसर ऑलरेडी गिवन ओके सो इन दिस xy term what is the coefficient of xy that is 1 yes okay very good option number A is the correct answer ठीक है very good now come all of you in question number next question अब मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगा नहीं हम लोगों के लिए just give answers the sum of 7x, 10x and 12x. What is the sum of 7x plus 10x plus 12x is equals to what? Sorry, this is 12x. What is the sum of 7x plus 10x plus 12x is equals to what? That is 29x. Okay, let's see. 10 plus 12, 22, yes, 7, 29 is very good. Option number D is the correct answer. Good. Okay. So that means this question is done. Now next question, let's see. Yes. Now all of you read the question again properly. Just wait, just wait, just wait. Yes. Now all of you see here. अब आप लोगों का अम्फान आना चाहिए. New storm is there ना अम्फान that only. Now see the result of subtraction of 3x from minus 4x is equals to what? Okay, yes, subtraction word is there. So try to understand. When you subtract 3x from minus 4x, that is equals to what? What is the correct answer? Option number minus 7x minus 7x minus 7x. Lovely, very good, very good. Okay, same answer is coming. Obviously, अगर आपका same answer आएगा, that means your correct answer होंगे. Let's see one time. In this question, not say, देखो बात समझना. In this question, not say 3x को minus करना है 4x. In this question says minus 4x minus 3x. Obviously, इस number को minus करने किससे करना है? Minus 4x से. That's why we can say minus 4x minus 3x. And we know already minus minus plus. And that's why the number will be plus, not sign. 7x and the before bigger number minus sign. That's why the answer will be minus का 7x. And that is your option number A. Very good, very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. आप लोगों को क्लास टीचर को बोलना पड़ेगा क्लास 8 now a very good class है ना okay now next question the product of 4mn and 0 is equals to what okay very good 0 answer already given answer मुझे क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ने नहीं दे रहे लोग okay option number A is the correct answer 0 is the 100% correct answer because आप लोग क्या करते हो I know many of the student you are doing like 0 into 4mn. So first of all, you are thinking, sir, 0 into 4, 0 and mn. So we can say, sir, 0 mn. Arey no, 0 into any number that 0 only. Answer क्या होगा 0. That's why we can say that is your 100% correct answer 0. Okay? ठीक है. Now we'll move next question. Now next question, the product of 5x and 2y is equals to what? Divyanshu, Nanika, Sahil, Kartike, very good, very good. So we can say the product of 5x and 2y is equals to what? Very simple, as I told you, 5 into 2, that is 10. First of all, I have to multiply by numbers. 5 into 2, that is 10, and x into y, that is xy. So your answer will be 10xy. That is your 100% correct answer. 10x. Actually, students, this is not a. इसके जगह x कर दो है ना. That's why this is the correct answer. 10xy. That is your 100%. Okay. So still this one, I hope no doubt is there. Yes or no? Just wait. Okay. So see here next question. Okay, this is your question. Okay, now tell me students, what is the answer of this question? The volume of a cube of side 2a, the volume of the cube of side 2a is equals to what? Now tell me. No, now yes, one student is given correct answer. Only one student. Let's see. Yes, 2 student, 3 student, 4. Now all of you giving answer. Okay, very good. So actually, student, remember whenever your question says cube, so in case of cube, the formula is equals to, all of you know, volume of the cube is equals to side cube. Right? This is the formula, side cube. That's why we can say here side is equals to 2a and 2a का cube, that is 2 का cube 8. And आप लोग क्या करते हो, 2 का ही cube करके छोड़ देते हो. It is not correct answer. A cube also. That's why we can say 8a cube is the 100% correct answer. Okay, option number C is the correct answer. Very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Now tell me, student, this what is the answer of this question? Sorry. Yes, tell me fast. X minus y, x plus y minus z, y plus z, z minus x, z plus x is equals to what? How? Very fast. आपने सॉल्व भी नहीं करा और आंसर दे दिया. Very fast. इतना मल्टीप्लाई करने में तो टाइम लगता है. How you solve? I don't understand. Very good, very good. So obviously we can say x minus y, x plus y. This is the formula. Which formula? A minus b, a plus b. This is x square minus y square. है ना? X square minus y square, and after that this is plus sign gives. है ना? This plus sign, this one. This is again formula. Y minus z, y plus z. Write down y square minus z square. Plus, this plus. है ना? This plus. This is also formula. Z square minus x square. Write down z square minus x square. Now students see here, x square cancel out. Y square cancel out. Again z square cancel out. The answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. That is the 100% correct answer. Okay? Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Now students tell me, a square minus b square is equals to what? A square minus b square is equals to what? Option number C. हाँ, आप लोगों को तो अभी लिखने में जोड़ आएगा, है ना? This is very big formula. A plus b, a minus b. That's why you are writing option number C. Very good. Option number C is the correct answer. A plus b and a minus b. Obviously, this is a simple formula. This is your simple formula. A square minus b square is equals to. Many times we have solved a lot of question of in exercise 5G. है ना? A plus b, a minus b. And that is your 100% correct answer. Okay, no issue. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Yes. Just wait. Okay, this much questions are there. This is your complete. See here. So all of you just wait. ये आपका complete अभी तक नहीं हुआ. Just wait. I will take more questions because आप लोगों ने जिस स्पीड के साथ क्वेश्चंस किया, मुझे नहीं लगता that any students can do these questions. I think in this lecture maximum 15 to 20 questions we have taken. मैंने सोचा at least these questions और half an hour it is enough. But आप जिस speed के साथ करें ना, so I will give more question. All of you note down these questions. Okay, just wait.